Hello everyone, welcome to Target 45. My name is Jyoti. Thinking about learning to code? Let me tell you why Python should be your go to language in 2025. Trust me, it's more than just a trend, it's a powerhouse. Learning Python is like reading English. Its syntax is simple and easy to understand, making it perfect for beginners. Let's say if you want to write a simple hello world program in Python, all you have to do is you have to write a print statement followed by parentheses. Between the parentheses, you have to write hello world enclosed in quotations. It's just that simple. Did you know Python has been ranked as the most popular programming language from the past few years and it is ranked at number 1 position and it's only growing in 2025. Python isn't just popular, it's in high demand. Companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python every day to solve complex problems. For example, Netflix uses Python to recommend what shows you should watch next. Uber uses Python to calculate prices and match you with drivers in seconds. According to Stack Overflow, Python is one of the top paying programming languages globally, with salaries starting at around 110K dollars a year in US. Just think more Python, more money. Python is so versatile that it's used in tons of fields. You can build websites using frameworks like Django or Flask. You can analyze huge amounts of data with libraries like Pandas and NumPy. You can automate boring tasks with just a few lines of code. All is possible with the help of Python. Imagine automating repetitive tasks like renaming 1,000 files in just 3 lines of Python code. You can automate your own work to save time. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the future. Python is the number one language for these fields. Want to build your own AI chatbot like Siri or a recommendation engine like Amazon? Python's got you covered with libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and Scikit-learn. In 2025, it's expected that AI and ML will create millions of new jobs, and Python will be at the heart of this revolution. When you're learning Python, you're never alone. Python is one of the largest communities in the world with millions of users ready to help you. Stuck on any problem? There are over 2 lakh Python projects on GitHub. That means more learning resources, libraries, and tutorials than almost any other language. Python's speed and efficiency have always been improving. Python 3.11 introduced 50% faster performance, and by 2025, Python is even expected to become more efficient for handling large applications. Instagram uses Python for over a billion users. That's the scale we are talking about. Python isn't just for beginners, it's powerful enough for the biggest tech giants. Python is at the center of some of the coolest cutting edge technologies out there. Want to control robots? Python can help you do that with libraries like PyRobot. Python is used in the blockchain world to build decentralized apps. From self driving cars to AI, medical diagnosis, Python powers it all. Over 70% of data scientists use Python daily. If you want to work in AI, robotics, or blockchain, Python is your gateway. Google uses Python for their core services and even their AI research. Instagram built their backend on Python's Django framework. Spotify uses Python to recommend music by analyzing millions of songs. Tesla uses Python to automate tasks in its manufacturing process. Python is trusted by more than 80% of Fortune 500 companies. So if you want to work with big brands, Python is a skill they love. Python runs on everything: Windows, Mac, Linux, even Raspberry Pi for cool hardware projects. Want to build a website, an application, or a machine learning model? Python can do all that and it runs on any device. Python's flexibility make it future proof, which means it's here to stay for many years to come. So, why learn Python in 2025? Because it's easy, powerful, in demand, and opens doors to the most exciting fields in tech. Whether you want to build websites, automate tasks, work in AI, or land a high paying job, Python is a way to go. Follow Target 45 for more such tech related content, tips, and tutorials.